Maintenance of a sewing machine. Okay, well, the first suggestion I have is you pull out your manual. But obviously you're watching a video, so I'm not going to encourage anyone to actually read or anything like that. Now the second thing, as if you followed the first, would be to just go ahead and unplug your sewing machine before you do any kind of maintenance on it. There's daily maintenance, like the first thing you're going to notice if you're working with fuzzy fabrics, you are probably going to want to clean out the lint from the bottom of your sewing machine where it opens, like daily. I sometimes have to do it like every 2 hours if I'm working on my stuff a lot. So here's the tools. You can use the lint brush that usually comes with your sewing machine, and there's a couple different kinds. A toothbrush works fine, but it's hard to get into those little tiny corners. And there's also any sort of thing like plastic bristly thing. I imagine this netting thing you can find somewhere around from some kind of fruit basket or something or other along those lines, or toys or something like that, and you can make your own. So those are the tools, and we're going to go about just getting down in the bottom, and it's good to get around the back of the bobbin, all those hard to reach places, because that lint really piles up and it takes the oil out of your sewing machine. This is something that I would do daily. The next thing that is a common thing to check on is oiling your machine. There's a little hole usually located at the top of your machine. It looks different on different machines, and you have to use a special clear white oil, and you only have to oil it about once a year. It depends, of course, how much you use your machine. There's other things like replacing the belt on your machine. The rubber might wear out, and I'll get into tension and settings for your machine next time. Okay, bye-bye.